Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope that you are well at your home and just revise the chapter you were doing. So, first chapter and second chapter are completed. Okay, student. So, your unit first exam is coming. Okay, so just revise and learn chapter 1 and 2 objective type question. Okay, you know that well. Your unit first exam conduct on Google form online test. This is an online test. Okay, so just you fill the one words type question and MCQ type, add true or false and fill in the blanks. Okay, yeah, so you read the question, fill in the blanks. Suppose your first chapter, fill in the blanks. A computer is a fill in the blanks counting machine. Okay, so a computer is a versatile counting machine. Okay, students, so today we will look that type question answer related with chapter 1 and 2. So that type, that means very short one words type question answer is coming in your unit first test. Okay, and second, abacus was invented by Chinese in 16th century. So who was invented by Chinese in 16th century? So abacus machine was invented by Chinese in 16th century. And just next question, that type, Napier bones were invented. So Napier bones were invented by Sir John Napier. Yes, students. Yes, and next, past line was made up of a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels. Okay. Yes. So that wheels. So take the correct wheels. And Leibniz calculator. Leibniz calculator was the first calculator, okay student, that could perform all 4 arithmetic operation. You know which type 4 arithmetic operation? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, yes. And your next question MCQ, the first calculating device was. Yes student, today just revise the chapter 1 and 2. Okay, yes. So some asking to you question, the first calculating device was, student, abacus. Okay student, yes, abacus was the first calculating device. And second question, Napier bones were invented in. Napier bone were invented in, so 1617. Okay student, yes. And third, a Gottfried Leibniz invented. A Gottfried Leibniz invented step reckoner. Who invented step reckoner? Okay, so step reckoner, a Gottfried Leibniz. And next question, a tabulating machine was invented by. A tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith. Okay student, Yes. So Hermann Hollerith invented which machine? Tabulating machine. Okay. And the device which was the first calculator in real sense. So Mark 1 Mark 1 is a real first computer real sense. Okay student? Yes. And that type question is coming in your unit test. Okay. And name any devices the early man used to count with. So have many example and many devices. Stone, yes student, stone, finger, yes, pebbles, stick. So you write any one for the devices name early man used the count with. And who described, many very important question, who described the knowledge of abacus in India? Who described the knowledge of abacus in India? So your answer is Abhidharma Kosha. Okay, student? Abhidharma Kosha described the knowledge of abacus in India. And who invented Pascaline machine? So you know that Blaise Pascal. Okay, Pascaline. So Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline machine. Okay student? Yes. So that type question in one words answer. Okay? Yes. And which machine is considered to be the beginning era of computer? The beginning era of computer. Okay student, you know that. So this answer is Mark 1. So that computer is the beginning era of computer. Okay student? Yes. And learn the full form also. Okay, IBM, ENIAC and UNIVAC. Okay student? Yes. So ENIAC, electronic and UNIVAC, electronic, numerical, integrated and computer. Okay student? Yes. So what is the full form of ENIAC? So electronic, numerical, integrator and computer. Electronic, numerical, integrator and computer. Okay student? And UNIVAC, universal automatic computer. Okay, that's full form, universal automatic computer. Yes. And PC, that's personal computer. Yes student? Yes. So that type you learn the question answer for next coming examination. Okay, student? And second chapter, classification of computer. Okay, so suppose the computer mainly used for heavy stuff. The computer mainly used for heavy stuff. Which computer, student? Supercomputer. Okay, so that's your answer. Supercomputer. Okay, and the computer based in banking and insurance business. Answer, which computer? Mainframe computer. Okay, laptop and handheld are the example of micro computer. Okay, student? And the first successful supercomputer. So you know that first successful CDC 6600 is first successful supercomputer. Okay, student? Yes. And the computer that works in terms of digit, that means 0 and 1, that is binary code, used in laptop. Okay, and ECG machine of example, that hybrid computer. Which type computer? Hybrid computer. Okay, student? Yes. And another question, look that type. Give one example of each. So supercomputer, example CDC 6600, digital computer, that's laptop, example of that, and microcomputer also desktop type. Okay, yeah, so that type question you read and learn. Okay, student? So please, chapter 1 and 2 read in deeply. Okay, and learn the question answer in one words type and MCQ type and true false type, and give one example of that type. Okay, yes, student. So thank you and have a good day.